Hi everyone. Now we are going to look at very small example of a bitwise operator. So we need to write a function to check whether a number is odd or even. Okay. So not even a function, even we can write a small expression to check whether a number is odd or even. Okay. So one thing you might know is we can simply do n modulus 2. If this gives us 0, then we can say the number is even. If it gives us 1, the number is odd. Okay, but since we are learning about bitwise operators, we want to solve this problem using a bitwise operator. So one thing you will observe is all the odd numbers will have the last bit as 1, and all the even numbers will have last bit as 0. Okay, so I'm writing for, so this number is 1, this number is 2, this number is 3, this number is 4, this number is 5. So one thing you can clearly observe is for odd numbers the last bit is 1, and it contributes 2 raised to the power 0, that is 1, to the answer, and that is what it makes the number odd. Okay, so everything else is a even number. Okay, everything else is a even number. That means the last bit decides whether the number would be odd or it would be even. So what we need to do, we need to check if last bit is 1 or it is not. Okay, so what we can do is let's say we have some number 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. What we can do, we can do the AND with this one. Okay, so what is this one? This one is nothing but 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. If you do an AND here, and what could be a possibility doing an AND, so we have lots of zeros here. The only thing we will get is at the last position. So if the last position is 1, that means this position was 1. Okay, and that means this number is odd. But suppose the last position, if it is 0, then we will get a 0 here. That means this number is actually even. Okay, so I hope you understood how we can check whether a number is odd or even. So let me show you a quick demo in the code as well. So if I have let's say this code, I can simply put a if else. So int x, cin x, I can check if x and 1, I can see out odd, else I can see out, so dot slash odd. So if I give 5, so 5 is odd. If I give 8, 8 is even. If I give 32, it's odd, it's even. If I give 33, it's odd. Okay, so 32 is even, 33 is odd. So I hope now you understood how we can use this and 1 to find out the last bit. Okay, and that's it for this lecture. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.